Okay, just got this on 5 miles, 30 bucks. This is a Lakewood Spring-Aire box fan, either 20 or 22 inch, whatever you want to call it. It has either a McMillan motor or a Westinghouse motor, not exactly too sure yet. This thing is pretty mint because it's missing no bars or slats on both grills. Both grills are not yellowed at all. It's in a beautiful avocado green. Has push buttons as a switch and a working thermostat. Works very well. Beautiful shiny reflective blades. Has all the original feet and a very long cord. Very heavy too. Here's the side. And the back. Either think this is a late 70s or early 70s, since it has the motor frame that's wrapped around the motor. You can see it's kind of the windings in the motor a little bit. I'll show you the tag. It's right there. We'll see it from the front. Oof, man, this thing is heavy. Alright. Thermostat is off. And here's low. Here kind of the startup. Blows a very nice amount of air. I love low. It's so quiet I could sleep to this. Here a little bit more of motor whine. Alright, here's medium. A lot louder. And high. And off. Now, I just got this and I did not oil it yet or clean it, so this is just it by itself with the spin down time. It seems to be pretty well, nice and long, not too bad. I don't even think I should oil it. It's pretty good, to be honest. Alright, I'll demonstrate the thermostat, so I'm going to turn it all the way on 12, turn it on low, I'm going to gently start to turn it. And boom. Activates around 8 or 7. I need to clean that up. 2 screws that hold the plate on. Alright, turn this back off. And I'll show you the startup sound. Alright. Here's the startup sound on, let's see, high, or low first. Alright, there's low, here's medium. Kind of let it coast down for a minute so I can get a good startup sound. Blades are very pretty, no rust at all. And here's high. Ouch. My bad, that was me hitting my elbow on the shelf. Alright, go ahead and watch this spin down time. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any information on these, please let me know. I'd like to know. Thank you for watching.